What if your muscles could start bouncing back in just 7 days without supplements or a gym? Have you noticed your arms feeling weaker or stairs becoming tougher after 50? You're not alone. This isn't just aging, it's sarcopenia. But there's good news. You can fight back with food. Did you know that after the age of 50, our bodies quietly begin to lose the muscle we've spent decades building? One day, you might catch a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and feel like your strength has vanished without warning. Sounds frustrating, right? But take comfort, you're not alone in this experience. Health expert Frank Suarez explained that muscle loss often creeps in gradually, making it difficult to spot until we feel its effects. Thankfully, it's not a permanent sentence. According to research from the American Society of Geriatrics and Gerontology, nearly 1 in 3 people over age 60 experiences a progressive decline in muscle size and strength, a condition known as sarcopenia. That might sound alarming, but here's the silver lining. This condition is reversible. And here's a surprising fact. In just 7 days, you can begin to reignite your strength naturally. No fancy pills, no extreme workouts, just smart nutrition. How? By adding a handful of powerful foods into your everyday meals. Imagine walking upstairs without wincing, lifting groceries without calling your grandkids, or feeling confident in your own body again. That's the power of food, real, whole food, something Suarez often emphasized in his health research. And yes, these changes can start in as little as a week. It might sound too good to be true, but thousands of seniors are seeing results just by shifting what's on their plate. If you're ready to take that first step toward feeling strong and capable again, you're in the right place. Today, we're revealing 6 delicious, science-backed foods that not only taste amazing but actively help fight age-related muscle loss. Because no number on your birthday cake should define how powerful you feel inside. Before we dive in, let us know in the comments where you're watching from and your age. We love hearing from our community. Your input inspires us to keep bringing valuable, practical content to help you stay healthy and strong. Now, let's get into it. Food number 1. Cherry juice. When we cross into our 50s, the slow loss of muscle strength can begin to affect how we move, feel, and function. But what if something as simple and sweet as cherry juice could help turn that around? Bright red, refreshing, and bursting with benefits, cherry juice is more than just a tasty drink. It's packed with anthocyanins, plant compounds known for their powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help combat muscle wear and tear brought on by aging. In fact, multiple studies, including one from the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports, showed that people who drank cherry juice recovered 24% faster in muscle performance after physical activity. That's real, measurable improvement without medication. Cherry juice also helps relieve soreness and speeds up recovery after light activities like walking or gardening. And here's a surprising bonus. Cherries naturally contain melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. A glass of cherry juice before bed not only helps you rest, but also supports deeper muscle repair overnight. Sleep and muscle health go hand in hand. When we sleep well, our muscles rebuild. When sleep is poor, our recovery suffers. So if you're waking up feeling stiff or tired, a nightly glass of cherry juice might be a simple and delicious solution. All it takes is 1 glass, about 30 minutes before bed, to begin feeling improvements in energy, joint comfort, and morning mobility. So, if you're serious about maintaining or regaining strength after 50 while also supporting your joints and sleep, cherry juice is one of the smartest additions to your routine. It's backed by science, easy to enjoy, and it works with your body, not against it. And if you think cherry juice is impressive, just wait until you see what's next. Food number 2. Greek yogurt. Deliciously creamy and naturally protein-rich, Greek yogurt is more than just a breakfast food, it's a muscle-supporting powerhouse. Especially for adults over 50, Greek yogurt stands out for one key reason: protein. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained to remove excess liquid, which leaves it with nearly double the protein content, about 15 to 20 grams per serving. That high-quality protein plays a critical role in preserving and rebuilding lean muscle. Greek yogurt is particularly rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides your body with a steady supply of amino acids. This means better muscle repair, more strength, and less age-related decline. Whether eaten alone or paired with fruit, nuts, or even stirred into smoothies, Greek yogurt is incredibly versatile. And if you're someone who struggles with digestion or poor appetite in the morning, it's a gentle yet satisfying way to fuel your muscles without feeling too full. As we continue this list, you'll see how simple, natural foods like the ones you already recognize can become your strongest allies against aging. Let's keep going. The next food might already be in your fridge. Let's pick up where we left off. You now know that Greek yogurt is a creamy powerhouse packed with protein and gut-friendly benefits, but the real magic lies in how it works over time to repair and preserve your muscle health. Now let's explore how you can turn this simple food into a full-body support system. Greek yogurt isn't just high in protein, it's especially rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that steadily releases amino acids into your bloodstream over several hours. This steady flow of nutrients is incredibly beneficial, especially during longer gaps between meals or while you're sleeping, times when your body naturally focuses on repair and recovery. For adults over 50, evenly spreading protein throughout the day has been shown to be more effective than consuming it all at once. It supports better muscle protein synthesis, helping to prevent sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. And Greek yogurt fits perfectly into that strategy. In fact, a University of California study found that seniors who added Greek yogurt to their diets daily experienced up to a 15% boost in muscle strength within just 8 weeks. That's a significant improvement from one simple change: no intense workouts or fancy supplements required. But it gets even better. Greek yogurt is also a rich source of probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that help balance your digestive system. These friendly microbes enhance nutrient absorption, improve bowel regularity, and support a healthier gut environment, something that becomes increasingly important as digestion tends to slow with age. Looking to amplify its benefits even further? Try adding a tablespoon of chia seeds or a handful of antioxidant-rich berries like blueberries or raspberries. This mix adds fiber, boosts anti-inflammatory antioxidants, and turns your snack into a nutrient-dense, energy-boosting mini-meal. Whether enjoyed for breakfast, a midday snack, or a light evening bite, Greek yogurt is a powerful and delicious way to fuel your muscles and digestive health long-term. So, if staying active, energized, and strong is your goal after 50, Greek yogurt deserves a regular spot in your fridge. Now, if you thought yogurt was impressive, wait until you discover the next food on our list. It's something warm, hearty, and surprisingly effective at supporting energy and recovery. Food number 3. Starchy vegetables. As we age, one of the first things we notice is a dip in daily energy levels. That constant fatigue, sluggishness, or difficulty recovering from activity. It often has less to do with age and more to do with what fuels our body. And that's where starchy vegetables come in. Far from being just comfort food, starchy vegetables like sweet potatoes, pumpkins, and regular potatoes are nutrient-dense sources of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Together, these components help deliver sustained energy, crucial for adults over 50 who want to maintain stamina, muscle function, and endurance. Instead of the quick spikes and crashes associated with sugary snacks or refined carbs, starchy vegetables offer a slow, steady release of energy. This consistent fuel supports aging muscles that require a constant energy source to function efficiently throughout the day. A report from Harvard Medical School even found that older adults who regularly consume starchy vegetables experience less muscle decline. Why? Because these foods regulate metabolism, support cellular repair, and stabilize blood sugar, all vital processes for preserving muscle strength. And that's not all. Starchy vegetables promote more than just muscle support. They also aid in heart health, digestive wellness, and overall vitality. Nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and beta-carotene work together to fight inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and improve cellular health. A simple, tasty way to include them? Try roasting sweet potato wedges with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. This not only enhances flavor, but also optimizes nutrient absorption. It's an easy, comforting side dish that pairs beautifully with any meal. Want a pro tip? Swap out refined carbs like white bread, white rice, or pasta for these nutrient-packed vegetables. Within a few days, many people report feeling more energized, less bloated, and stronger during physical activity. Remember, these aren't filler foods, they're strategic tools in your mission to stay strong and independent. If you're looking for a natural, satisfying, and delicious way to fuel your body, starchy vegetables should be on your plate every single day. And if you're still curious about more powerful foods that can speed up recovery and boost strength, don't go anywhere. The next item on our list might just become your new favorite go-to. From the creamy power of Greek yogurt to the lasting energy of starchy vegetables, we've seen how small daily choices can create a big difference. Now, let's head to the ocean because the next food in our lineup is a seafood gem that brings strength, flexibility, and flavor all in one bite. Food number 4, scallops. Tender, buttery, and surprisingly powerful, scallops are more than just a restaurant delicacy. They're a muscular game changer, especially for adults over 50 looking to maintain their vitality. These delicious shellfish are loaded with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, two key components your body craves for muscle repair, tissue regeneration, and inflammation control. What makes scallops especially effective is how efficiently your body can absorb and utilize the lean protein they offer. As we age, the body's ability to synthesize protein declines, making every gram count. The protein in scallops delivers essential amino acids directly to the muscles, helping combat the gradual breakdown of tissue and speeding up post-activity recovery. Meanwhile, the omega-3s in scallops work like internal firefighters. They calm inflammation, protect delicate muscle fibers, and support the overall structure of your muscular system. In fact, a study conducted by Spain's Institute of Nutrition found that seniors who consistently included omega-3 rich foods like scallops in their meals retained up to 12% more muscle mass than those who didn't. That kind of preservation can mean better balance, faster walking, and less risk of injury over time. And let's not forget the ripple effects. Omega-3s aren't just good for your muscles. They support joint health, improve cardiovascular performance, and even enhance mental clarity. All of this contributes to a stronger, more active lifestyle. You don't need to be a gourmet chef to enjoy scallops at home. A quick pan sear in olive oil, with a dash of garlic and fresh lemon juice, turns them into a satisfying main dish that's not just tasty but also enhances nutrient absorption. Pair them with roasted veggies or a crisp salad, and you've got a balanced, anti-inflammatory meal that fuels your body and protects your heart. Want a tip? For maximum benefit, aim to include scallops once or twice per week. That's all it takes to give your muscles a reliable source of repair fuel and help reinforce strength and endurance. Scallops are simple, delicious, and science-backed. Whether you're rebuilding strength, maintaining mobility, or just want to stay agile and pain-free, they deserve a place on your plate. Ready for another surprise? Let's move from the sea to a powerful little grain that often flies under the radar but delivers massive muscle-boosting benefits. Food number 5, buckwheat. You might not think of buckwheat as a muscle-building food, but this humble grain is one of the best-kept secrets in healthy aging nutrition. Though it's often overshadowed by more familiar grains, buckwheat packs a serious punch when it comes to supporting strength and stamina in later years. One of buckwheat's standout features? It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and maintain muscle mass. Unlike many other plant-based options, buckwheat gives your muscles everything they need to stay strong, functional, and healthy. But protein is just the beginning. Buckwheat is also a complex carbohydrate, which means it provides sustained energy throughout the day without the crashes you get from white rice, bread, or pasta. For older adults who often struggle with energy dips or fatigue, this slow-release fuel is incredibly helpful. Buckwheat is also rich in key minerals like magnesium and zinc. Magnesium helps with muscle relaxation and recovery, while zinc supports immune function and tissue regeneration. Together, these nutrients enhance your body's ability to recover from daily activities or light workouts and help keep muscles performing at their best. Another important benefit? Buckwheat supports stable blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining energy, avoiding fatigue, and preventing long-term muscle deterioration. As we get older, dips in blood sugar can feel more intense and zap our strength. Buckwheat helps smooth those fluctuations out. Incorporating it into your meals is easy. Try using buckwheat groats in place of rice, or make a warm buckwheat porridge in the morning with fruit and nuts. You can even toss it into soups or salads for a hearty, protein-rich boost. And the results? According to a Harvard Medical School study, seniors who included buckwheat in their regular diets experienced an 18% increase in muscle strength over 3 months. That's a meaningful improvement, especially when every bit of strength can make the difference between independence and relying on others for support. To top it off, buckwheat also has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce oxidative stress, another factor that accelerates muscle aging. So not only does it help build and repair muscle, but it also protects the ones you already have. If you've never given buckwheat much thought, now might be the perfect time to start. It's easy to prepare, incredibly nutritious, and surprisingly delicious. And coming up next, we're rounding out our list with one final food that brings a refreshing, hydrating twist to the muscle rebuilding journey. Get ready, this one's as tasty as it is powerful. As we saw with buckwheat, simple foods can provide powerful protection against age-related muscle decline, and there's still one more nutritional powerhouse to go. Food number 6. Whey protein. When it comes to easy, reliable ways to preserve muscle strength and bounce back from daily wear and tear, whey protein deserves the spotlight. It's fast digesting, rich in essential amino acids, and incredibly efficient at fueling muscle recovery. For those of us over 50, rebuilding muscle doesn't need to mean lifting heavy weights or spending hours in the gym. Whey protein makes the process far more accessible. Whether you're recovering from a light walk, gardening, or simply looking to maintain your strength throughout the day, whey protein steps in as a gentle yet potent support system. What makes whey protein so unique is not just the quantity of protein it delivers, but its quality. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, which your body uses to rebuild and preserve muscle fibers. And since it's rapidly absorbed, it starts working quickly exactly when your body needs it most. Research has shown that seniors who consume whey protein regularly enjoy significantly better muscle preservation. One study from the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that older adults who incorporated whey protein into their diets had up to 20% more lean muscle mass over time compared to those who didn't. That kind of improvement impacts everything from standing up with ease to walking longer distances and even maintaining balance. But whey protein's benefits don't stop at muscles. It also supports immune health, helps regulate body fat, and may even contribute to heart health by reducing certain markers of inflammation. So when you add whey protein to your diet, you're not just nourishing your muscles, you're investing in your entire body's resilience. What's the easiest way to get started? Simply mix a scoop of high-quality whey protein into your morning smoothie, stir it into oatmeal, or shake it up with water or milk after a light workout. No fancy recipes required. In fact, this one small habit could provide your body with the daily building blocks it needs to stay strong, alert, and energized. Worried you're too late to start? Don't be. Clinical evidence shows that people well into their 60s, 70 seconds, and even 80 seconds can improve their muscle tone and strength simply by increasing their protein intake, especially when that protein comes from fast-acting sources like whey. Pair your whey protein with light activity, like a walk or stretching routine, and you've got a powerful formula for better mobility and longer-lasting independence. Over time, you may notice that you feel more energized during the day, recover faster from basic exertion, and even sleep better at night. And here's a pro tip. If you combine whey protein with other foods we've discussed in this video like Greek yogurt, starchy vegetables, and cherry juice, you'll be giving your body a comprehensive support system that boosts not only strength but also digestion, inflammation control, and energy levels. By now, we've taken a journey through 6 powerhouse foods, each offering a different way to fight age-related muscle loss, rebuild strength, and improve overall vitality. Cherry juice to reduce soreness and enhance sleep-based muscle repair. Greek yogurt for high quality, slow-digesting protein and gut health. Starchy vegetables like sweet potatoes for sustained energy and fiber. Scallops for lean protein and anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Buckwheat for complete plant-based protein and blood sugar control. And now, whey protein for fast, efficient muscle nourishment and recovery. These aren't miracle solutions, but they are real, accessible, and backed by science. And more importantly, they're foods you can easily integrate into your day-to-day life without drastic changes. Because staying strong after 50 isn't about chasing perfection, it's about consistency, nourishment, and listening to your body. Imagine waking up with more energy, carrying groceries without hesitation, or going for a walk without fatigue holding you back. That future is within reach, and it starts with your plate. If this video inspired you, please tap the like button, share it with someone you care about, and hit subscribe to the Senior Health Boost channel. Your support helps us continue sharing practical, evidence-based advice tailored for the vibrant, empowered life you deserve. And before you go, leave a comment below with a if you're committed to protecting your muscles and aging with strength. We read every message, and your voice helps grow this supportive, health-focused community. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay strong, stay curious, and keep fueling your best years yet.